Now, skin is quite an interesting thing. It really is elite. Because without it, other people would stop and stare as it would leave us quite bare. Just here and there, quite a feat. A mostly unattractive, unsightly thing, I think, with our subcutaneous layers of fat showing and 72 bones sticking out from our feet, which I'm sure would be absolutely stink. Yes, our skin is decidedly quite thin, isn't it? But it's very resilient. It really is quite brilliant. Elasticated, self-repairing, smooth body covering. It protects us from bacteria, from rain and much hysteria, plus infection from the minute we leave our mother's womb. Without it, my dear, we would appear like something from out of an Egyptian mummy's tomb. Yes, our skin is very, very clever, with tiny pores and hairs that let us all sweat or glow. It even protects us from our planet's sometimes rather unpleasant weather, and stops us from reaching the end of one's tether, don't you know. It also allows our bodies to stretch and grow. It has openings in it, and keratin and sockets to put your eyes in, and nails to keep the ends on things. Our skin also has melanin. It even lets the sunshine in, and makes us feel and look good with a suntan. And what's more, all things considered, our skin is quite decidedly a jolly good thing to spend one's time in. Thank you.